How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be installing a tow hitch class 3 from my Honda Pilot. Unfortunately, my Grand Cherokee over there died, and I want to go salmon fishing and stuff, so I'm gonna have to use my Honda Pilot for a little, so to pull this little 12-foot aluminum boat. So anyways, I bought this new trailer hitch from Amazon right here for like $140 or something. I'm not sure if it even comes with hardware. Well, actually it does. Oh, that's good. But I'll put the parts information down in the description. So it's for a 05, I think it's like 01 to 05 Pilot Honda. So very straightforward. I have the wiring harness coming in tomorrow, so I'll also show how that goes in. Very simple, fast video. So let's get started putting this trailer hitch, because I really want to go salmon fishing this weekend. So let's get to it. Unwrap this real quick. I guarantee the Amazon person was not happy delivering it, because I just saw it thrown on the ground. But whatever, it's gonna get beat up anyways and probably rust over a couple years, so it's not a big deal. Should be a fast install too, as long as you know what you're looking for. I wanted a Kurt, but I only found this one as a single unit. A lot of them bolts from the sides. I guess that's good for collision or whatever if you need to replace something. But I wanted one whole solid structure instead of having a 3-piece, because it's a lot better, I think. But let's open this up. Alright, there's washers, and these are weird washers. They have little tip things on it. Super weird. I guess that's a lock washer. So I just need 2 bolts set up. I'll show you the 3 bolts on each side that I'm going to be using. So under here, these are the bolts you're going to be using. So you've got to undo those bolts. You can, I guess, put this back on if you want underneath this thing. I don't know if I'm going to. You're not going to need it anymore. And then on the other side of there's the same thing over on the other side of this muffler. So it should be very simple and fast. So let's get started. Only got one person, myself, to do this, so hopefully I don't bust my face open. Oh, gotta undo those bolts though. That would help before I do that. see if it's 17 millimeter. Is it? Oh, look at that. It's 17 millimeter. How convenient. Ooh, that was a close one. Alright. I'm going to switch to my impact. Because why not? Guess I got some extra bolts. Alright, so let's do this again. Same size. The new bolts are not 17 millimeter though. They are 3/4 or 19 millimeter. Whatever you prefer the terms are. Use the muffler as the holder. Bam. So that side's secure. Dropping the washer. Freaking hot. Sheesh, you can't get those screws in. Or bolts. Bam. Alright, so gotta figure out
exactly what's spaced on each side. Yeah. Needs to move over that way a little. So bring it down. Seems pretty good. Alright, so this side's not wanting to go in. There you go. Weird angle. Do the other side. Sorry, my camera died on me, so back to the side. I guess you can't use this anymore. It doesn't fit with the bracket, so weight reduction, not really, because you added more weight, but at least you get 3 new bolts to add to your collection of stuff that you eventually need later on. Alright. Well, I'm missing one of the bolts, so it's probably going to end up in my tire. Sheesh. Oh, here it is. Alright. Well, they had thread locker on it. Crazy. So, I think there's actually... Yeah, I think you can add a hook somewhere right there. But here's 3 bolts. I got one more bolt to bolt down, and I'll be done. But I happened to lose one of the lock washers. It's because my yard is so full of oak leaves Oh, here it is. Found it. So, I wish they gave grade 8 bolts. These just look like aluminized steel bolts. Or zinc coated bolts. So, they're probably gonna rust. Good enough. But let's see if I can read you a part number, and I'll add it to the description as well. So it's a, is that it? Yeah, so the part number from Draw-Tite, got it off of Amazon. So it fits Acura MDX and Honda Pilot. So the part number is for the trailer hitch is 75599. So it's a 10 millimeter, 14 millimeter, 17 and 19 millimeter that you're gonna need if you know if it's for a MDX. You need to put washers inside the subframe, but these already have them pre-installed. So yeah, so that's that. I'll upload the wiring harness when I get it tomorrow, but it's very easy. It'll probably be only a 5-minute video, but so this is it. Pretty sturdy from Draw-Tite. I'm glad. I thought the actual receiver was going to be hanging down, and I didn't want a snag point, but this is not too bad. I don't mind it, and it also has 2 different holes for different pin sizes, so that's cool. But yeah, so the next video I'll upload will be the harness. It's very simple to get to and easy to route. So alright, well, thank you for watching. It's very nice, you know. So it's going to be able to pull my little 12-foot aluminum boat for salmon fishing, since my Jeep is out of commission right now. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Catch you next time. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever, you know. Hopefully it's a good video. So